So hello guys, so today I'm going to repair this dress. Really good in doing this because this will be my first time. So let us do this, and she just want to remove or to make this smaller. So let's do it. So I'm using number 4. Oh, I have to do lock because the first, okay, and then go straight. So here we're going to lock again. Then done.
Lift your foot.
Okay.
Pull it to the back. To the back. Always to the back.
Okay. So here it is. Sorry, it's not really straight. I mean, but this is much better. And then now, we're going to do this curve here. So we have a curve in this side. It's at the shoulder side. So, just do like this.
Foot.
Okay. And we have to lock it. Okay. And then, follow the line. So I will just lock it in this side here. Okay, done. Up.
Never, no, always towards you. Don't ever turn backwards.
Okay.
Okay. Pull this straight to the back. Yes.
Very nice. So, if we turn this shirt, oh yeah, it's clean. Look at that. It's clean. So this is my own simple way how I repair the dress of my friend. So I just use roller, this marker, and then she said she wants 1 inch to be taken. So okay, like that. So it will be like this. So this the length from here and here is 1 inch. So I just, to simplify it, I just do like this. And then I just mark it. Make this smaller. we just do like this, like as there. And then the other side. Same step I do from the other side with a line. So now we're going to stitch this. Okay, here on the light here. Stitch on light.
Good.
Foot and then lock. Put it here. And 1, 2. Make sure it's like that. Okay, you just straight. Just so straight. So we're done at the side here. So now we're going to do this side here, the core part, because my friend don't want to make this smaller, the side of the shoulder. So we just do it like this. Guys, I'm not a professional. Luckily, Peter is here. Peter is the one who knows really more than I do. Okay. Again, we do it second time.
Foot.
Foot down.
Is it down? Okay. Didn't look like it. Okay.
Okay. Foot up.
Needle up.
Needle up.
Pull slowly to the side. Slowly. No force. Oh, I see something. Okay.
Okay, so now the other side is done. So we're going to start at the other side. So one side done.
Just
So
make sure your
this one.
materials are folded at the back.
Okay, yeah, I need to stretch it. Because I need to stretch. So that then you feel that. So, let's make sure it's...
See, when you guide with your left hand,
Uh-huh.
you can feel at the bottom while you're guiding.
This one here.
That one.
Right hand.
Oh, sorry, right hand. Okay, I'm looking at it the wrong way around.
Okay.
Okay.
Put down. Now we have to do the curve. What's here? Perfect. Okay, now the curve part. So we're done. Let's see. Just cut this. And let's see the result of our repairing. Okay, we just turn it other side. Hopefully my friend will be happy for the result. I think it's perfect.
Not repairing.
Huh?
It's not repairing per se. It's alterations.
Alteration. So here it is, guys. Clean, very clean. The slit here. Oh, it looked nice, huh?
Surprisingly, it came out very nice. I wasn't.
The other side, the
I
other
wasn't
side.
expecting it to come out that nice. The slit.
The other side. Wow. You see, even the slit look very nice. Well done.